Hello everyone, this video is the second part of beginners yoga series. In this video, I will show you very effective yet simple and easy workouts for your entire body. Please do not rush or you may injure yourself. Take it slow and practice these workouts regularly. So let's get started.
Begin in plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Place your right hand towards the left as you step your left foot out to the left. Reverse the directions, taking 3 steps to the right. You may walk 5 times in each direction at once. Place your feet slightly wide, extend your hands straight out in front of you to help keep your balance. Sit back and down as if you are sitting in a chair. Keep your head facing forward as your upper body bends forward. Lower down so your thighs are parallel to the ground. Press your weight back into your heels. You may do this for 5 to 10 times. Slowly walk sideways while you are halfway through the squat position. Walk to your right 2 steps. Return and walk to your left 2 steps and return. Lean back to a chair with arms folded on your chest as shown. Slowly push up your hips, hold for a second and get back to the normal position. Do this for 5 to 10 times according to your comfort. Begin in a plank position. Tighten your abs and raise left arm out straight to the front while raising the right leg. Pause, then lower it back to the starting position. Do this for 5 times and switch to the right hand and left leg. While in plank position, gently kick your right leg backwards for 5 times, then switch to the left legs. Lay down on your belly with both hands forward. Slightly raise your hands, head and legs as shown. Hold it for 5 seconds and return and repeat. Start by standing. Reach your arms down toward the ground. Walk your hands away from your feet, entering a plank-like position before stepping your feet forward toward your hands and finally returning to a standing position. You then continue the worm-like crawl for 5 to 10 repetitions. Place your knees on the ground. Position your hands shoulder width apart on the ground. Slowly lower your upper body down towards the floor. Pause. Pull your upper body up to the starting position. You can do this for 5 to 10 times at once.
Thank you all for your time, and I hope that you got some value out of this video. Now it is time to sign off. How was your workouts today? Please comment below. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy.